Alright, so here's our little update video. I'll show you how everything we got is wired up. Right here. Focus. And then around here, that's wired up into here. And then we got some lights up in here. Dude, this is not focused at all. Not one bit is this focused. So this is with the generator off. And then this is with the generator on. So that basically powers this thing, which gives us some heat. And we got another toolbox back here filled with tools. Show you guys that. This is our toolbox of tools. And then we also got a welder now, an air compressor that works. So just a little update there. Today we are basically going to be doing some brake caliper painting, just painting them black. And I'll be going back over the car, showing you guys what all I did. Wow, toxic. Throwing Nissan boxes at me. What? No. So yeah, you got that cardboard? Oh, we're using those boxes, aren't we? Oh, okay.
That's so that you don't paint on the ground.
That makes sense. All right, well, you could have opened her up for me. I can do it quicker.
There you go. Alright. This plywood piece down too, we really need it.
Oh. Yeah, grab that.
No problem.
Just gotta move 1,000 things. So these are the calipers we're painting today. They came off my speed. Basically use the heater, warm everything up. And then we have High Heat Ultra Rust-Oleum. Perfect. I haven't painted anything in years. Do we need to tape off anything, or are we just spraying it?
I would tape off some of the caliper pieces. That's about all I would do.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, so. That's already. Well, let's try that. Yeah.
It's getting really cold in here really quick.
Alright. That's not even gonna stick your brake shit. Well, I'll find something to plug the hole.
We just got done grinding away most of the surface rust, and they look a little bit better. I'll go ahead and show you. So right here, if it wants to focus, grinded some of that surface rust away. Over here, grinded that away. And then the back side of these guys were really bad. Come on, focus. Yeah, right there. But can't really get to these spots here, so I just kind of left them. We're painting it over anyway, so now comes the fun part. Call it that. Oh, make sure we're straight here. So about an hour later, we're finally finished doing this. I will show you guys what we used again. And then we will show you the finished product. So we used this stuff right here. Why does it never focus? High Heat Ultra by Rust-Oleum. And for the first time using this, I think it turned out pretty decent. These babies are warm sitting in front of the heater, but I'm probably gonna have to go over these again since they're sticking to the cardboard. But they're super glossy, look way better than what they did before. Then our little brackets, painted those, because you basically see this whole side right here. And then the back side of the caliper itself. Missed a little bit right there, but you really won't be able to see that since it's on the back. And then now we gotta assemble it all back together. So yeah, Logan, are you ready?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Now we're gonna try to attempt to do the back brakes also, at least pull them off. Not going to paint them yet since they still need sandblasted and cleaned up, but at least get a start on that project. Right now, just putting these bolts back on, pull the bracket on. Can't really see it because my camera doesn't like the focus worth a shit.
Now you should have some light in there.
Yeah. Go the R17, take these babies off. Couple other buggers. Well, we'll cut that part out. So we basically ran into an issue with the rear calipers. Don't really know how to get the brake cable out for the parking brake. So we're just gonna leave it in, and then we're just gonna paint it on the car, put some trash bags around, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. And we have a new special guest. Aaron's back there.
Good evening.
He drives another BRZ, just like him. That makes the 20th one in the group so far.
4 maybe? I don't even know.
So he also has. What?
Mine's the cutest.
Oh, he also has a YouTube channel, I believe, right?
At thatweebaaron.
thatweebaaron. I'll probably link it down below or something. But anyways, yeah, this is the part that we can't really do anything with. They say we have to like heat it up and twist and pull back here because it's kind of pressed in there. So we're just gonna leave it as is and then just paint both of them tonight and then basically be done. So here we go. Focusing. Yeah.
You totally missed a fin.
From where?
Wait, you can totally, yeah, you can totally see it.
Whatever. I'll fix it.
Runs.
Get better.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically we're done with this one caliper. Our heater ran out of diesel, so we're coming to a stop for the day. We're gonna finish tomorrow after we fill it up. It's gonna be a solid 50 degrees tomorrow, so we probably won't even need the heater. But here is the finished last one that we just did. Everything turning out pretty nice. And here's the fronts. Looking good. Don't look like a bunch of rust anymore. So yeah, that's basically where we're going to end for the day, and then we will pick back up tomorrow. So see you then.